Dear students, welcome to the period Algebra 6th. In this period, we shall discuss about the multiplication of algebraic terms of the form a minus b whole squared. We have already studied about a plus b whole squared. A plus b whole squared equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay. So now find the formula a minus b whole squared. Here a minus b into a minus b multiply a into a squared, a into minus b minus ab, minus b into a minus ab. ba, ab are same because commutative property holds good in multiplication. That is 4 into 3 equal to 3 into 4, one and the same. So minus into minus plus b squared. So a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So a minus b whole squared equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So this is the formula. Now let us take one problem. 3x minus 2y whole squared. So here a equal to 3x, b equal to 2y. Substitute for a and b. A equal to 3x, b equal to 2y. So 3x, here put bracket 3x whole squared. So instead of putting bracket, I am here to understand, to make clear. So I am here put a box, but it is put a bracket here 3x whole squared. Don't write 3x squared. 3x squared is different from 3x whole squared. Okay, so 3x 2y whole square. Square is for both 2y. So now answer is 3x into 3x 9x squared minus 2 into 3 6, 6 into 2 12xy, 2y whole squared 4y squared. So 3x minus 2y whole squared equal to 9x squared minus 12xy plus 4y squared. So this is the answer for this problem. So let us move on to geometrical proof of a minus b whole squared. A wonderful proof. So let us take ABCD is a square whose side is a. So therefore area of this square, big square, is a square. Okay, a into a square. Now take a part here. So this is b, this is a. So this side is a minus b, this side is also a minus b. So therefore area of this small square part one is a minus b whole squared. We want this one, a minus b whole squared. So we want a minus b whole squared. We have to subtract these two parts from a squared, isn't it? If you subtract these two parts, this part from a squared, then you will get the a minus b whole squared. So therefore this area is, this is a, this is b, so this is ab. So this is a minus b, this is b, b. So therefore area a minus b whole squared equal to area of ABCD, that is a squared, minus area of the part second, area of the part third. So a squared minus ab plus b into a minus b. So multiply ab plus into plus minus into minus plus b squared. So a squared minus 2ab b squared. So therefore this is a squared, so minus 2ab b squared. The area of this part is minus 2ab b squared. Okay, so therefore so a minus b whole squared equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So this is the beautiful proof, algebraic proof for geometrical proof for a minus b whole squared. So let us take another problem. 5p cube 7q cube whole squared. Here a equal to 5p cube, b equal to 7q cube. So now a minus b whole squared equal to, substitute for a equal to 5p cube, b equal to 7q cube whole squared. So 5p cube whole squared plus 2 5p cube plus 7q cube plus 7q cube whole squared. Here minus, okay, minus. So you will get 5 into 5, 25 p, 3 into square 2, so 6, 25 p 6, this is minus not plus, so minus 2 into 5, 10, 10 into 7, 70 p cube cube cube, plus 7 into 7, 49 cube 6, q to the power 6. Therefore, this is the answer for this question, this problem. Okay. So now let us take another problem. X by y, y by x whole square. Here a equal to x by y, b equal to y by x. So then a minus b whole square equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So x by y, y by x whole square equal to x by y whole square minus 2 into x by y, y by x. So y by x whole square. So this is equal to x cancel, y cancel. So we will get the answer x squared by y squared minus 2 y squared by x squared. You have to write x squared by y squared minus 2 plus y squared by x squared. Okay. So now take another problem. 98 whole squared, 100 minus 2 whole squared. Here a is 100, b is 2. So a minus b whole squared equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So 100 minus 2 whole squared equal to 100 square minus 2 into 100 into 2 plus 2 square. So 10,000 minus 400 into 4. So 10,000 4 minus 400, 9,604. This is the answer. Okay. So now another identity, multiplication of the form a plus b, a minus b. Here terms are same, but here minus is there, here plus is there. So what is the formula? So now multiply a plus b, a minus b, a into a squared plus minus ab plus b into a, ab1 and the same, plus into minus minus b squared, plus ab minus ab cancel, so a squared minus b squared. So a plus b into a minus b equal to a squared minus b squared. Let us take one problem, 3x plus 4y, 3x minus 4y. Here a equal to 3x, b equal to 4y. So a plus b, a minus b, a squared minus b squared. Apply the formula 3x plus 4y, 3x plus minus 4y equal to 3x whole square minus, instead of a 3x whole square minus, instead of b we have 4y whole square. So 3x squared means 9x squared, 4y squared means 16y squared. So therefore answer is 9x squared minus 16y squared. Take another problem, 4x squared plus 5y squared, 4x squared minus 5y squared. Here a equal to 4x squared, b equal to 5y squared. So multiply a plus b into a minus b equal to a squared minus b squared, 4x squared plus 5y squared, 4x squared minus 4y squared, 4x squared whole squared, 5y squared whole squared, 4x squared whole squared, 16x to the power 4, 5y squared whole squared, 25y to the power 4. So this is the answer. Now take another problem, numerical problem. 102 into 98. 100 plus 2, 100 minus 2. A plus b, a minus b, a squared minus b squared. So 100 plus 2, 100 minus 2. 100 square minus 2 square. 10,000 minus 4. 9,994. So this is the answer. Now let us come to the geometrical proof of this one. A beautiful proof. Now take this area a squared. Okay. So now we want b squared. So if you this is a squared. If we remove b squared, so then this part remains. This part remains. We have to find the area of this part. So take one. Area of the big square is a squared. Area of this small square is b squared. So a squared minus b squared. Take this as equation 1. So now this area is length into breadth. Length a. This is length a. This is a minus b. So a into a minus b. This is length b. So breadth a minus b. So a minus b. So b into a minus b. This is a into a minus b. So therefore area of these two parts is area of part second and area of part third. A into a minus b plus b into a minus b. If you a minus b is common, now a plus b remains. So a minus b into a plus b. So from 1 and 2, this area we want this area of this big square minus area of this small square, the remaining part is equal to this. So therefore a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b, or a plus b into a minus b equal to a squared minus b squared. This is the beautiful geometrical proof of a squared a plus b into a minus b. So now solve for yourself. So 70m minus 8n whole squared, p by q by minus q by p whole squared, 1 by p 1 by q whole squared, x to the power 9 y to the power 9 whole squared, 47 whole squared, 9.8 whole squared, 5l plus 7m, 5l minus 7m. So x to the power 9 minus y to the power 9, x to the power 9 plus y to the power 9, 10.2 into 9.8. So these problems for yourself. So Shubham will meet on the next class.